We all want science at home to be fun, and it is, but lots of things can get in the way of that. So check out these 5 home science hacks, and if you do them, you'll have way more time for fun. Hack number 1, make collecting supplies part of the routine. Get everyone involved. You're tired of doing everything yourself, right? So first, round up everything you need for the experiment in the house. You'll already have a lot of these things at home. Then ask family and friends. And then when you've collected all these, tick them off your list. And anything left on the list that you still need to get, that's your shopping list. So taking the kids shopping, give them the science list. That's their responsibility. And collecting supplies becomes part of your family routine, leaving more time for fun. And who knows, they may even want to go shopping next time. Another thing that will save you a ton of time, hack number 2, make tidying up part of the routine. This is the part we worry about. Kids, not so much. It's not even on their radar. So build it into your total science experiment time and you won't have any surprises later. Tidying up is just as much a part of the experiment as anything else. And each time you try the experiment, you might just find an easier way or a less messy way to do something. Thinking about the aftermath can sometimes put me off. And on the days when I have my primary science club and sometimes I just don't have enough energy, I think, okay, I will do something simple that doesn't need a lot of material, takes 2 minutes to tidy up. Problem solved. Minimal equipment. No liquids. So start with something easy like that and include putting it all away, part of the experiment time and part of the process. They don't get away with leaving it all to you. And another tip here, keep bin bags and kitchen roll handy and maybe do your experiment on a tray. That way all the tidying up stuff is right there with you, and it also makes the point that this is part of the whole thing. Hack number 3, get organised with storage. And this all makes science supplies quicker to store, so when you collect all your things, you've already got a place to put it, you know where it's going. And then it's easier to find when you need it. And guess what? It's easier to tidy away when you're finished. So you don't need anything fancy. Might be a box or a cupboard or even just a corner of a shelf. Drawers are good, sets of drawers. Or just put them back where they normally go in your house, because science is normal, it's everywhere around us. Hack number 4, look for opportunities or just get used to spotting them as you go about your day. Science is all around us. You don't have to have a separate setup, just look about. So for example, have you recently had a kids' party? Is there a balloon? Why not rub the balloon on your jumper and use it to demonstrate static electricity? Cooking is great for this, lots of scientific type opportunities there. So if you're boiling some red cabbage, save some of that beautiful purple water you get and try adding some bicarbonate or baking soda or a little bit of vinegar. See what happens. And I've got an experiment just showing you how to do that. And this gets easier with practice as your own knowledge and confidence grows. Hack number 5, try it yourself first. This is my favourite one. Just have a go. If you make a mistake, it doesn't matter, and you'll get a much better idea of what to look out for and how much mess it makes, what you need for tidying it up, or for your kids to tidy it up or help you. Don't overthink it. Pick one experiment and just try it. And then try it again. Think of ways to make it fun for your child. You know them best. You'll know what makes them laugh or what gets them interested. Put your own spin on it. Your confidence grows and all gets more fun anyway as you blast your own doubts. And you get better ideas of how you can fit it into your family routine, or why not start one? So subscribe to this channel because we've got lots more ideas like this. And if you like the idea of getting more confident as you go, remember we want more time for the fun part. Watch this video on your screen just now and that'll really help with your science confidence, getting your home science off the ground and maximising the fun.